Hello everyone, myself Monisha Charya and I'm legal intern at Lexis and Company. So today I'm here to talk to you about the topic that is judgment on compounding of offence section 320 of CRPC. So this was a recent judgment given by the Supreme Court of India in Bhagyan Das versus State of Uttarakhand and ANR. The judgment was given in this case on 11th March 2019 by Supreme Court, and it stated that merely because an offence is compoundable under section 320 of CRPC, still discretion can be exercised by court having regard to the nature of the offence. It will have its own effect on society at large. It means that if any offence, the society at large is getting affected or will get affected, but that offence is compoundable under section 320 of CRPC, then court have the power to use its discretion power in order to reject the compoundable plea of that offence which is affecting the society at large. So what were the facts of these cases? In this case, Bhagyan Das was accused and the allegation made on him was that he, being the government servant, misused his power, in which trial court convicted the Bhagyan Das under the Indian Penal Code 420 section, which talks about the cheating and dishonesty inducing delivery of property, which is listed under subsection 2 of the 320 of CRPC, where court had the power to compound the offence and punish him with the imprisonment of 2 years, and fine was imposed up to 2000 rupees. After which appeal was made against the conviction, and the Court of Session modified the quantum of punishment from 2 years of imprisonment to 1 year of imprisonment and sustained the fine. After which Bhagyan Das filed a review petition at Uttarakhand High Court, and the application was filed in order to make an offence compoundable. After which both the parties were heard, and High Court rejected the plea to make offence compoundable, as the court noticed that this complaint had not only affected the complainant but also it had affected the society at large, because the accused is village developing officer, and if he can misuse his power against the complainant, then he can use it too for other poor villagers. After which accused filed for the special leave application in Honorable Supreme Court. So Justice R. Bhanumathi and Justice R. Subhas Reddy heard this case, and the bench agreed with the judgment of Uttarakhand High Court. We will talk about the word compoundable, which means compromise. CRPC section 320 talks about the compounding of offence, which means when two parties compromise between the offence done by the one party. The main purpose of doing this is to end the trial of the criminal proceedings. But generally, when an offence is done, no party compromise to it, as it not only affect the person but also the society where we live. As when compromise is done for certain offence, then we are giving the hype to that offence for next time, and that offence can be repeated again. But still there are list of offences under CRPC which can be compromised by the parties, but few offences are of the type which can be compromised by the court itself. The list of the offence which can be compoundable without the permission of court is mentioned in section 320 subsection 1, and the list of the offence which can be compoundable with the permission of the court is under subsection 2 of the CRPC of section 320. So basically the result of this section is acquittal of accused. So I hope you have understood this topic, And for more such information and knowledge, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and do like, share and comment. Thank you.